Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this simple and easy flower for beginners. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply yarn, but you can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. Now wrap the yarn around the fingers like this, and with the help of crochet hook draw the second yarn. This is magic ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. After that make double crochet into the magic ring. Make another double crochet into the magic ring. Make another double crochet into the magic ring, and in this way make total of 18 double crochet into this magic ring, including the 3 chains, because 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. I have made 17 double crochets and 1 3 chain. Now total 18 double crochet stitches. So now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain to close this ring. First round is completed. Now for the second round make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the same chain 3, single crochet into the same chain 3. Now make 5 chains and skip 2 double crochet stitches, and into the 3rd double crochet stitch make a single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. Again skip 2 and make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Again make 5 chains, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. Skip 2 and into the next one make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. Skip 2 and into the next one make a single crochet. Again make 5 and skip 2 and make a single crochet into the 3rd double crochet stitch. Now in the last we have 2 chains left. Again make 5 chains and make a slip stitch into this first single crochet stitch, which is the starting stitch of this round. Now we have to work into this chain 5 space. So make a single crochet into this space, and after making single crochet make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and now make double crochet 1 into the same chain 5 space, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and the last one is double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochets again make 3 chains and make a single crochet into the same chain 5 space. After that we have to work into the next chain 5 space. So make a single crochet into the next chain 5 space. First petal is ready for the second one. Again make 3 chains and make a double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and then 3 chains and make a single crochet into this chain 5 space. Second petal is ready. Now again work into the next chain 5 space, make a single crochet into it, make 3 chains, and after that make 5 double crochets into this same chain 5 space. Now make 3 chains and make a single crochet into the same space. In this way, complete the other 3 petals. I have made other 3 petals. Now make 3 chains in the last and make a single crochet into the same chain 5 space. After that, make a slip stitch into the make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and then single crochet 4 into the same chain 3 space. After that, into the next 5 double crochet stitches, make single crochet in each. Now we have to work into the next chain 3 space right here. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and then single crochet 4 into the same chain 3 space. And now work into the next chain 3 space of this second petal. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and then single crochet 4 into the same space. Again make single crochet 5 times in the next 5 double crochet stitches. And after that, again we would make 4 single crochets into the chain 3 space. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and then single crochet 4. Now work into the next chain 3 space by making 4 single crochets, single crochet 1, then single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and the last one is single crochet 4. So in this way, make 5 single crochets in the next and repeat the process and complete by making single crochets in every petal. So I have completed this round. Now make a slip stitch into this single crochet stitch, which is the first single crochet stitch of chain 3 space. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and remove the extra yarn strand. And now we would weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. So pull the yarn needle through some stitches of back side. We would weave this yarn end into these single crochet stitches of this petal. And after that, remove the yarn needle and cut these extra yarn strands. Now the flower is ready. You can use it in any of the project like baby headbands or booties. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.